All right, Mr. Birkin presents multiplication. Today we're going to be looking at one place multiplication using the partial products method. And this is Common Core Standard 5, MBT.5, which simply is about multiplication. We will eventually be doing what's called the standard algorithm. But for today, I want you to review what we were doing last year, what you were doing last year, which is the partial products method. So let's take a look, and this is actually one of the problems on your homework. This is number 2. Let's go ahead and do it. 49 times 8. Okay, if I have a problem like this, and I want to solve it using the partial products method, well, it used to be that you would draw a box, right? You'd draw a box like this, and you'd do 40 and 9 times 8, and you do, so 8 times 9 in this box, and 8 times 40 in this box, right? Well, I think we're ready to let go of the box. Okay, you're certainly welcome to draw the box if that helps you. But I think we're at the point now, we've done a lot of work with place value. I think you can do it without the box. So let's try it without the box. So we've got 8 times 9. That gives me 72. I put that on my first line underneath. That's my first partial product. Then I do 8 times 4. But wait a second, that's not 8 times 4. That's 8 times what? 8 times 4D. Because this is a 4 in the tens place, right? So 8 times 40 is the same thing as 8 times 4, 32, and then you annex a 0 behind it to make it 8 times 40. So once you know your basic multiplication facts, it's really easy to multiply by tens, hundreds, thousands, whatever you need to do. I put my line underneath, and what am I going to do with these? I'm going to add them up. Alright, these are all my partial products. I need to combine them to get my complete product down below. So 2 plus 0 is 2, 7 plus 2 is 9, and 3 plus 0 is 3. So 8 times 49 gives me 398, which makes sense because I could think about 8 times 50, right? Okay, doing my estimating. If I were to estimate 49, I would round it up to 50. Well, 8 times 50, 8 times 5 is 40, so 8 times 50 is 400, which is very close to 392. So this is definitely a reasonable answer. All right, let's do one more together, and that'll be it. So let's do number 4, 95 times 6. 95 times 6. And again, I'm going to do this partial products method. So I've got 6 times 5, that gives me 30. That's my first partial product. 6 times 9, that's 54. So 6 times 9D is 540. Put my line underneath and add them up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 3 is 7. 5 plus 0 is 5. And let's see, well, 95, I could round that up to 100. 6 times 100, that's 600. 570 is pretty darn close to 600. So that's definitely a reasonable answer. All right, so that's partial products method. Please use that for now. We will get to the standard algorithm later. All right, thank you.